Hey, good morning. This is Mr. Kraus, and I got a couple of friends with me to help me out. James, tell them who you are. Say hi.
What up? Hi, I'm James.
And this is Lily. Lily, who's a little low. Let me point the camera. Lily, remember to look up here and say hi.
Hi,
Tell them your name.
my name is Lily.
Yes. A little bit more here, guys. Let me do this really quickly. I didn't want to make anything too complicated, too busy, too dynamic for you. Yeah, hashtag parallel structure. So let's start with Happy St. Patty's Day, wherever you're at.
Happy St. Patty's Day.
Good job, Lily. You're looking at some basics that'll work across platforms, across grade levels, and that is no red ink. So there's a no red ink for both classes. Get on there, sign up, and once you guys complete the login activities, they try to personalize it for you. The assignments will pop up and they'll populate. It's a good tool to use when we're remote, and good review for a lot of it for you guys. So hopefully it's not too challenging.
Look.
If anything is too challenging, no red ink, comments and questions.
Belly button.
Lily, Daddy's talking. James. If any, screenshot and send me a message on any platform, Remind, whatever you guys like. Google Classroom. You guys can message me directly through Classroom. Email, obviously. Cell phone number 310-984-0864. And give me screenshots. I don't care. I'll help. Second to no red ink is going to be a weekly blog assignment. We'll continue that. There were some questions about blogs. James, Lily, you need to be quiet. One take, guys. One take. Blog on patriotkraus.weebly.com. If I pull it up under this tab, you guys will see that give my home internet a second to load. There'll be a Frosh blog, and there'll be a sophomore blog, and you guys just need to do your thing, right? It's not rocket science, right? Social distances. Here's the sophomore blog. While I'm waiting for that to load, let's see if anybody's done it. 3 comments. Way to go. It's a nice way to start my morning. Thank you, guys. Don't overthink these things. This week and for the foreseeable future, Lily, James. Lily, shh. I'm almost done with my video. For the foreseeable future, there'll be no required annotations. Boys and girls, please. Lily, please. For the foreseeable future, there'll be no required annotations. Just make sure you guys take a look at the article, look at the suggested questions, and knock out your blogs once a week, right? Due on Fridays, as always. Speaking of due dates, as I get things updated, I'll throw an announcement on Classroom that grades are updated. I'll try to throw in a link for you guys for your student queue, but that would be a good thing to do. I could keep talking about the basics, but let me just remind you of how you guys are going to be a little different. First, the elderly, you sophomores, besides staying healthy and washing them hands, we're going to continue with Nazi Hunters. There's a couple of great extension activities coming your way about connections from the Nazi Hunters to modern day times and the likelihood of intelligence gathering communities still existing and operating today. Freshmen, sadly, we'll have to put mythology, the Odyssey on pause. I love the story, love the lessons, love the arguments about Odysseus. But I just don't think it's appropriate to continue reading that online. So stay tuned for some short stories. Lily, James. Sorry, guys. One take. I'm going to wrap this video up with, we'll be moving into short stories, freshmen. They'll be tearjerkers. They'll be sad. That's just kind of what governs most literature. So brace yourselves. And the pattern will be read, a little bit of vocab, and a few questions to answer. And heads up on some CQTs, okay? Thanks you guys for checking out this first video on stay-at-home casting. It's been Mr. Kraus. You can get a hold of me any different way. I didn't mention my social media platforms, but I'm at Patriot Kraus. Obviously, Google Classroom requires messaging, or it doesn't require, but you guys can message me through there. remind. So get a hold of me if you need me. I'll be grading and reading your comments. Stay healthy. See you soon. My kids want to say goodbye too. Lily, what do you say?
Bye-bye.
James, what do you say?
What up and bye. Wait, am I in the camera yet?
Yeah, you gotta look right here, guys.
Oh. What up and bye.
What